Hi guys, good morning. So my name is Vikramjit and welcome to my YouTube channel Education Just Ahead. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about what is VI, how we can use the VI editor and why we use the VI editor. So in Linux, managing Linux means working with files, right? And most of the things that are configured on Linux are configured through the file. So to get things done, you often need to change the content of the configuration file with the text editor. So even if some other text editor are available in Linux like vi, gedit, nano, vi is the only text editor that is always available. So that is why as a Linux administrator you need to know how to work with vi, and the vim is the advanced version of vi text editor, right? And there are three types of mode that is available in vim, that is insert mode, command mode, x mode, and you have to use these types of mode to make some changes in the configuration file. So guys, now I am going to show you a little demonstration that how you can use the vi editor. So right now I have a file, a password file. So here I am going to show you the demonstration. So suppose that if you want to type anything in this file, if you want to make some changes in this file, then first of all you have to type I. After pressing the I, you will see at the bottom it is showing as insert. It means that you are in insert mode and you can type anything that you want to type. So here I am just going to type my name is Vikram, right? And if you want to get out from the insert mode, you have to press escape key from the keyboard. After pressing the escape key, you will not able to type anything. So next one is that A is the another method to type anything on the keyboard. When you type the A, this will also go into the insert mode and you can start type anything. So there are two keys to go to the insert mode, that is I and A. Without going to insert mode, you will not able to type anything on the file, right? So next one is that suppose that if you want to insert a new line, then you can press O key from the keyboard. This O key will insert a new line below the cursor and you can start type anything here. Like new line below the cursor. And if you want to insert a new line above the cursor, then you have to type shift O. You have to press shift O. New line above the cursor. Shift O. So if you want to save all the changes that you have made in the file, so first of all you have to exit from the insert mode by pressing the escape, then column, and you can Right here W to save the file. So now the changes that you have made till now, that all the changes have been saved in this file. And if you want to exit from this file, then there is a Q and sign of exclamation that you have to use to exit from this file. And let's reopen the file. Here you can see that all changes are there that you make previously. So next command is dd. If you want to delete any file, any line from the file, then you can type dd like this. Here I'm going to write something for you. dd to delete the line, right? And if you want to copy any file, any line from the file, you can type yy, means young, and you can paste it anywhere in the file by pressing the P. YY means young, to copy the lines from the file, and P stands for paste in file. And if you want to make use undo like MS Word, MS Excel, you can just simply press the U. U stands for undo. And suppose that you are at the bottom of the file and file has thousands of lines. Then if you want to go to the first line of the file, you have to press GG. GG will go to the first line of the file. GG goes to the and suppose that if you are at the top of the file and you want to go at the bottom of the file, you simply have to type caps G, or you can also say that shift plus G. Shift plus G goes to the bottom of the file. And there are some other options are also available, like if you want to search anything, then you can just type the slash and type the word that you want to search. Suppose that I want to search my name is Vikram, and hit enter. It will go to the first character of my name, like Vikram, Vikram, Vikram. Here I'm going to type for you text that you want to search in forward position. And there is one more option. If you want to search any string, any word in the backward position, then you have to use question mark and the string name that you want to search in backward. Here you can see that it is going in the backward position, backward direction. That you want to search in backward position or direction. And suppose that if you have a big file and you have thousands of files and you want to go to any specific file, any specific line in the file, so you can set the number in the front of the lines. And suppose that if you want to go to the line number 30, then you can simply type colon and 30. It will directly go to that line number that you have typed. Set number, to set the number, and here you can just type the number on which you want to go. So this was a little demonstration how we can use the VI editor. For a Linux administrator, it is must to understand, to know all these commands, all these keywords to make the life easier. Okay guys, so I think it's enough for today, and if you have any suggestion, any comment, please comment in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel Education Just Ahead. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.